Swiss watches are home to some of the most expensive watches in the world. The process of making watches in this country is highly skilled and intricate, and it's a mystery to many. In this video, I'll answer all of your questions about the Swiss watchmaking process. You'll get to see the most delicate details of a watch, and you'll understand why they're so expensive. So let's get started. The Swiss watchmaking process. Here we are inside the design office of Richard Mille watch brand. On the computer screen, a 3D design of the watch case is displayed. The idea is the first and most important step in the design process of a watch. It is the foundation for engineers and watchmakers to start manufacturing the product. In the past, many watch brands often design models with pencils and drawing paper. However, today, high-end brands like Richard Mille often use 3D design software. The movement is the most important part, considered the heart of the watch. We will take a closer look at the manufacturing process of a mechanical watch movement. We will see how the gears, spring, escapement, chronograph and hands are assembled together to create a fully functional watch. Let's begin with the gears. The gears are the heart of the movement. They are responsible for transferring power from the spring to the hands. The gears are made from a variety of materials, including steel, brass and titanium. They are machined to exact specifications to ensure accuracy. Next, we will look at the spring. The spring is what provides power to the movement. It is wound by the crown or rotor. The spring is made from a variety of materials, including steel, brass and titanium. It is wound to a specific tension to ensure accuracy. The escapement is what regulates the speed of the gears. It is responsible for ensuring that the hands move at a steady pace. The escapement is made from a variety of materials, including steel, brass and titanium. It is assembled with precision to ensure accuracy. The chronograph is what allows the watch to measure time. It is made up of a series of gears that work together to count seconds, minutes and hours. The chronograph is made from a variety of materials, including steel, brass and titanium. It is assembled with precision to ensure accuracy. The hands are what indicate the time. They are made from a variety of materials, including steel, brass and gold. They are attached to the movement with pins or screws. The first step in making a watch case is choosing the material. Watch cases can be made from a variety of materials, including stainless steel, gold, silver, and titanium. After choosing the material, the watch case is machined with a cutting machine to create the main shape. Small and intricate details are created using cutting tools. The watch case is then polished using the metal wheels of a grinder to create a smooth and shiny surface. In some cases, the watch case may be further decorated with details such as diamonds, gemstones, or motifs. The watch billet is cut from a solid metal sheet. They are cut to the designed shape and size. It is then rough ground to remove sharp edges and shape the strap. The watch blank is finely ground to create shine and finish for the strap. The strap is polished with specialized polishing machines to create shine and luxury. The strap is assembled with buckles and other accessories to form the finished product. The final step in the watchmaking process is assembly. This is the process of combining all the parts of the watch together. Assembling a watch is a process that requires precision and care. It needs to be done by highly skilled workers. The assembler will carefully place each part of the watch in its place. They will use specialized tools and equipment to ensure that everything is assembled properly. So, we've gone through the process of making a Swiss watch from start to finish. I hope you've liked this video. If you're looking for a high quality, accurate and durable watch, then I recommend buying a Swiss watch. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching.